Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. Today we're cutting up a whole ribeye. Christmas is approaching. It's the time of year to fill your freezer if you're a ribeye fanatic like I am. They go on sale as a rib roast for $10 less a pound than they run year round. You can see here, normally $288.93 is for a whole 7 rib. With the card $129.41, you save $159.52. Get a couple of these in your deep freezer, feed you and your family all year long on ribeye steaks that you paid way less for. I like to follow the sales on all the items like this. A couple things I recommend investing in is a food saver, so they keep longer than say a Ziploc bag, and a deep freezer for the extra space so you can buy when the sale is there. That's the whole point. If you want to do this at home yourself, a good set of kitchen knives is really all you need. What I'm using you could find on Amazon pretty cheap. It's just a standard boning knife and breaking knife. So food saver, deep freezer, the knives, and you're good to go. It's all you need. I do this every year. It's really the only time I buy ribeyes. That being said, I'll get to it. We'll go ahead and cut it open. Always use a duller knife to open it. I don't want to dull my sharp knives. Got a whole 7 rib ribeye there. I'm just going to scrape off some of the sawdust where they removed it. This is the chuck end of the ribeye, just to make it look nicer. Okay. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take my small boning knife. I'm going to put it where the rib side is away from me. Just get it started. Just the tip of the blade, kind of peeling back on the meat just to open it up. And you want to stay right along the bones and not leave too much on. Best you can. Just get to the very bottom. You can feel the little notches at the bottom of each rib. Just kind of go around that. So these here, we like to use them as a beef rib, maybe on the smoker, maybe on the grill. I mean, it's all the close to connective tissue ribeye meat there in the middle. So it actually comes out really nice. It's actually one of my favorite things to do. So I don't mind boning this out and keeping this at all. I'm just gonna put this aside. So then here, you could cut to the desired thickness you like. I don't know how much you guys eat. You've probably seen by now I'll take down some pretty big steaks, so I'm going to cut these a little on the thick side. I'm going to start at my chuck end, which it's the better part of the ribeye, in my opinion. It's tastier. You have your cap here, which is really the best part, and that tapers down, so it goes from where your chuck is on the cow all the way back to where your New York strip is. The ribeye sits right in between. There's the first cut. And I'm not doing this for anybody but me, so I'm going to go ahead and leave most of the fat and the tail on. Because yeah, I'm going to eat all that. I want to say right now, if you were to go buy boneless ribeyes at most grocery stores, year-round this year, they've been close to 15 bucks a pound for choice. And this is certified Angus beef. So in this case, I think this sale was $6.49 a pound. Do this once a year and you've saved yourself some money. You could eat steak at home and not break the bank. So what do we end up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 nice looking ribeyes. Anyways, guys, this is something anybody can do. I highly recommend it. Something we've done in our house for years. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching.